Hello children, how are you? Hope you are staying safe and being healthy. Children, today we are going to discuss about lesson number 2, page number 178, parts of the plant. What is the name of lesson number 2? Parts of a plant. Already we have discussed what are the parts of the plant and what is meant by root, what is meant by shoot, and how many types of roots are there, children? Yes, very good. Taproot and fibrous roots. There are two types of roots, fibrous roots and tap roots. I have shown live plants with these types of roots also. Once again, we are going to recap this. See children, observe this picture. Now I am showing the picture of tap root and fibrous roots. So this is the radish, children. This is the single root. That is, this is the main root. So taproot will have the main root. And again, this main root will have small thin roots grow from the main root. Understood, children? So next, coming to the fibrous roots. It has main root, children? No. It has no main root. The bushy roots grow from the base of the stem. The bushy roots grow from the base of the stem. So this is the grass, children. Are you observing these two figures, children? Now you are very clear about these types of roots, which is taproot, which is fibrous roots. Carrot also have taproot, children, and coconut tree, for example, coconut tree also will have the fibrous roots. Understood, children? These are the types of roots we have discussed, and we are very clear about this. Next, today we are going to discuss about the functions of the roots. Functions of the roots, children. What are the functions of the roots? See children, most of the plants have three parts: roots, stem, leaves. And after that we will get flowers, buds, fruits. Okay children, next. What are the functions of the roots? Roots will help the plants to firmly attach to the soil. So without roots, plants will fall over. Okay, children. So the roots, where will be the roots? Roots are under the ground. Roots will absorb water and minerals from the soil. It will absorb water and minerals from the soil, and they are sent to different parts of the plant through the stem. Next function is roots of some plants store food which can be used by the plant. And plants protect the soil. Roots will bind the soil and prevent soil erosion. These are the functions of the roots. Main functions is nothing but roots will absorb water and minerals from the soil, and roots of some plants store food which can be used by the plant. So for example, you can take carrot, radish and turnip. So we are eating that roots, no children. So these plants will store food which can be used by the plant. These roots will store food which can be used by the plant. Next, what is meant by shoot, children? Already we have learned about the shoot. Shoot is the visible part of the plant that grows above the ground. So it bears stems, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. So stem will have branches. Branches will have leaves. Are you observing the pictures, children? So stem will carry water and minerals from the roots to the leaves. From the roots to the leaves. So different plants will have different types of stems, children. The stem only will support the plant. The stem only will support the plant. Suppose trees like mango, banyan have thick and strong main stems. So that type of stem is called trunk. This is called trunk, children. This is called trunk. Some plants like coriander have soft green stems. Coriander will have soft green stems. Some plants need support to stand upright and grow properly. They are called creepers. So the stem, different plants will have different types of stems. Those stems only will give the support to the plants. These plants have weak and thin stems. Creepers will have weak and thin stems. For example, you can say money plant, sweet pea, bitter gourd. These are creepers. And some will be underground stems, children, which store food. Those are, we eat these stems. Those are potato, turmeric, ginger. Potato, turmeric, ginger, children. This is a ginger plant. Are you observing? So, according to these types of stems, we will call it is a tree, it is a bush, it is a creeper, herbs, shrubs. These are the types of the trees, children. Understood? Next, coming to the, see children, we are showing the pictures how the trees will be. It has thick and hard stem called trunk. Branches grow above the ground. Bush means it has hard but thin stems. Branches grow near the ground. This is the grass, very small plant, soft and flexible green stem. Understood children? Next, you know about leaves. What we'll call leaves will prepare food for the plant children. So they are called food factories of the plant. Leaves are called food factories of the plant. How they will prepare food? By using sunlight, air and water, they will prepare the food. They will prepare the food. So in next class children, we will see the parts of the leaf and what are the functions of the leaf. Okay children, once you go through the video and read carefully what are the points given in the video also children. Okay, thank you.